Hi guys, I'm Nitya and welcome to our channel Gossipfunda. In today's video, we are going to see about the top 7 amazing Android features. Let's get started. The first feature is app pinning. With the help of this feature, we can pin a particular app screen to keep it in a display until you unpin it. It is easy to set up. First, you need to go to settings, then security menu, and now choose the app pinning option. Turn on the app pinning and you can now it is turned on. Then go back and press the app in which you need to be pinned. For example, I am clicking the settings app to be pinned. Now you can see that I can't able to get out of this app, and I also didn't allow to go to the notification bar. For this needs to be stopped, you need to press twice at the end of the screen, and now the phone gets locked. So with the help of this feature, we can keep our app safe. The second feature is fast charging. Most of the people face fast charging problem. Here are some tips to increase your charging speed in your Android mobile. First, you can put your mobile in aeroplane mode. This is because network signal draws your battery, and if you live in a very poor network area, then charging your spot takes very longer. It is proved technically that putting your mobile phone in airplane mode increasing charging speed. The second tip is by switching off your mobile. It helps in charging fast. No app will be drawing the battery, so it tends to increase in charging speed. The next step is smart lock. First, what is a smart lock used for? It allows you to keep your device unlocked while it is on you. For this, you need to go to settings and select smart lock, and you can do many things. You can select on body detection by enabling it, and you can also add trusted devices and trusted locations in which you want your mobile to be stay online without locking it every time. The next step is split screen. With the help of split screen, we can able to use two apps at the same time by using this feature. Just right click and select split screen option in which you already opened app, and you can add another app in which you need to use, and you can use both the app at the same time like this. The next feature is default apps. It is providing apps in which you need to open in default case. For example, opening gallery while opening a photo, and opening your music player whenever you clicking a music, and opening Chrome whenever you are clicking a lac. These settings can be changed. To set up this, you need to go to the setting app and select default apps. You can change your default settings apps here. In my case, I am changing the default launchers for my phone. The next step is notifications. Sometimes we just cleared all the notifications by accidentally without even checking them. Android has a solution for this. You can check all your notifications in the notification history feature. For this, you need to go to your setting and click notification and go to notification history feature. The next step is smart reply. With the help of this feature, we can able to reply to the messages with one of the Google suggested responses, including emojis, directly from the notification bar. I hope these tips make your Android life a bit easier. Thank you for watching. You can see we post regular contents in blog section. You can also search for a particular blog, and Android and iPhone blogs are categorized and separated. So please check it out. The link is in description box. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Please subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon to get regular updates posted in our channel, and share this video to your friends who may need of these tips. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section. Thank you guys.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.